The idea around a belly check is you just don't want to ever find yourself in an extended turn where you're going belly up to potential traffic for a long period of time. So every 90 degrees as a minimum, as you're in these long turns, roll out and check the direction that you're about to go belly up to. And the classic example is when you're on base, right? And so when you're on base and you're getting ready to go final, you're about to go belly up to a pretty high area of conflict in a pattern. So a high percentage of mid-airs happen with an aircraft on final.
Now as we get about to go turn final, this is a really critical area. We're looking out in front of us, and before I turn and go belly up, I'm checking to check that place where I can't see, where my high wing, it looks clear, and now I can go ahead and make my turn and glance back.
And it's real key here that you actually expect to see something. We have this expectation bias as humans where we will see what we want to see and see what we expect to see. So if we come in wanting to see a clear final and expecting to see a clear final, that's what we'll see, even if there's traffic there. So as you do that check on final, look over there expecting to see traffic, expecting that there is someone there. And then once you clear that area, now you can turn final and go belly up as you turn final for your final approach. And that's why it's called a belly check, because you're going belly up to an area of potential conflict.